Step number 1. Copy this video. Step number 2. Upload this video. Step number 3. Earn your first $150. I have seen a lot of ways to make money online, but I have never seen anything quite like this. This is still a new method and you can be the first to get started with this. It's still a low-hanging fruit where you can make hundreds of dollars per day just by copy and pasting YouTube videos. 1. You do not need any video experience. 2. You don't have to be on camera. And 3. You don't even need to talk into a microphone. Very simple, right? Imagine just sitting at your laptop or phone making hundreds of dollars per day, so you can help your family, upgrade your car or apartment, or even travel the world. All I want from you is to pay close attention, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make money even more faster. So make sure you stay on this video to the end. Don't miss out. Hey, what's up? Are you still with me? Because I want to show you my secret way I have used to make hundreds of dollars per day by copying and pasting videos. And this is super simple for you, even if you've never made any money online before. So step number 1 is to go to your youtube.com here. When you open YouTube, you want to search for dogs if you were a dog person, or cats if you are a cat person. As we can see, we can find funny dog videos with 20 million views, and you can see that these videos get a crazy amount of views. Now, what we want to do is to actually go to the filters right here, and then we want to click on a Creative Commons. In case you don't know what Creative Commons is all about, well, here it is. Creative Commons is a license that gives you a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. By marking your original YouTube video with a Creative Commons license, you are granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. But it's important to see that if you mark your video with a CC by license, you retain the copyright. So we will not gain any copyright by using Creative Commons videos. We are just allowed to reuse and edit the videos that we find. So here you can see that there are a ton of people that have uploaded their video as a Creative Commons for us to use. And as you can see, we get these cute poo-poo videos that are popping up. You have probably seen this before all across the internet. But one of those things that I teach is that if you do only entertainment, you will make little money. There's not that much money in entertainment, but if you do entertainment plus education, that is where you make the most amount of money. So we are going to keep scrolling down here and see if we can find some Creative Commons that has some entertainment and education in it. On this video here, you can also see how to make a dog love you more with a few simple steps, which is a dog training video. So we are going to click on this and then go to step number 2. Download that video. So all you need to do is to go to website savefrom.net. Now go back to the dog YouTube video, then copy that link. Now all you need to do is just copy the link and post it directly into the YouTube downloader website, which is savefrom.net. Here we go. This is the video we want to download, and you can just click on download to proceed. Step number 3. Go to rumble.com website. Rumble.com is a new video platform that has popped up that is a YouTube alternative. And as you can see from this page, you can see exactly how much these people have earned just per video. So if we keep scrolling down, you can see that people are making money more and more. And you might be thinking, oh, are there any people on here? How many people are actually on this website? So as you can see, Rumble.com is actually one of the fastest growing video websites on the internet right now. You can see the analysis, and the best part of it is that traffic is actually from tier 1 countries. You can see most of them are from the US, Canada, United Kingdom, all tier 1 countries which have very good and high quality traffic. Step number 4. Click on sign in here. Just click on create a Rumble account here. You can see that they have a free account, a publisher account, or a business account. And you should definitely go with the free account. Now, just fill out all these details, agree to the terms and conditions, and then register your free account. After that, go to your email to activate your account, and you have successfully verified. Now I'm going to show you how to upload this video correctly and also make more money from this faster than just the video earnings. But before that, remember to slap the like button. Let's try to get to 1,000 likes on this video. Also comment down below with the hashtag #watchingonair. Step number 5. Click on upload video right here. Here you can select the video you download to upload. So we are going to go in our download folder and then just drag that right in here. Now we need a video title, so we are going back to the actual video and then copy the title. Now we are going to change the title with our own words, and then we need to have a tiny video description here too. Here, you can see that we can add a video thumbnail like a custom one, but I actually think this one looks quite good. So, we are going to go ahead with that, and then we need some tags in here as well. Let's add some. Now we could have just uploaded our video right here and started making money from it. We can also schedule the video, so you can schedule, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or even every single day or multiple times a day. But before that, there is a lot more money that you can make with just a tiny link in the description. Step number 6. Go to ClickBank or any affiliate platform you know. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace where they have hundreds of products that you can sell and get a commission for that product. All you need to sign up and generate affiliate links related to the video you are trying to post. Like I said before, you can use other affiliate platform or even your own product if you want. So, how do you actually promote this product? Well, all you have to do is to generate the product links. It could be affiliate links or links to your own product. Now go to Bitly. This website will make your link a lot shorter and a lot nicer to look at, and using the long spammy looking virus type click link. Now go back to your upload again and paste that link. So that's all you need to do. Just click on upload right here, but I believe that it's better for you to actually create your own video for this. I'm not talking about talking into the microphone or showing yourself on camera. What I'm talking about is to hire someone from the Rolladale Freelance Marketplace to do it for you by going to the rolladale.com website and creating an account. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing and liking the video. Click on the next video we have already picked up for you to enjoy next. Bye for now.